Hi guys, welcome to Exec Spec. Just a quick video to show you our Starline package on the brand new 2025 Transit Custom. So on this vehicle we've done a lot of security features to give the client the peace of mind that he wanted. So let's just give you a quick rundown on the phone first. So you'll have a smartphone app. You've seen this previously on our videos. This is obviously arm, disarm. You can even put it into service mode. You've got full tracking of the vehicle as well. And then you've also got customized buttons in here that can allow you to turn various sensors off. So for example, pet mode. So if you want to leave your dog in there and you want to disable sensors, we can do that as well. Now, what we've done on this is a couple of add-ons that the client wanted. First being our Hypershock. So he didn't want people around the vehicle, and if there is an attempt, he wanted to know about it. And we've fitted various things to it. So for example, if we arm the vehicle now, you'll see on your app it's armed. Now this, just for anybody that doesn't know, this is an encrypted tag that is part and parcel of the alarm system. So this does a secret handshake with the vehicle every time you disarm, and then turns off the immobiliser and the alarm system. So it's a really important piece of tool, and it stops the key cloning as well. So what we've done on this vehicle now is we've done the Hypershock. So if there's an attempt or a shock done around the vehicle, then it would trigger. So inside the vehicle we've got the alarm system fully immobilized. We've got internal sensors monitoring the inside, so if the window's smashed. It's also got shock tilt motion built in, but then we've also fitted Hypershock around the entire vehicle. So let's just give you a quick demo of it. So if we impact the vehicle, now what will happen here is you'll get notified on the app, and you'll also be told that there's a first alert on there. If a second attempt is made, that will then go on to a full alert, and you'll get alerted, but then also a phone call. Obviously this is going to wake all the neighbours up as well. Now all you do, obviously, to disarm, you just go to a vehicle, disarm. You would also be able to disarm through the app, but you wouldn't do that until you knew your vehicle was safe anyway. But that would be the Hypershock, fully controllable by the user as well. So you can actually even turn that feature off in your additional buttons as well. So for example, if you've parked on a main road and there's a lot of vehicles passing by, and it's going to shake the vehicle, and you're worried, or if you've got hailstone and it's really hitting the roof and you think, oh, this is going to trigger on my driveway, guess what, we can turn it off. It's not a problem. So that's the Hypershock. Let's give you a demo of also our tailgate security for this new Transit Custom. Okay guys, let's give you the second demonstration of the rear barn door or tailgate on the new Transit Custom for protection if an attempt is being made. So on the Starline app you can see that the vehicle is armed. Bear in mind, obviously, anybody that's not familiar with this package, we can customize not just sensors but various other things on the vehicle. We've got a new vehicle coming from down south that's coming up to us, and they're having various lighting features switched on because it's going to be like a surf vehicle for them. We're going to do some amazing things, so that video is to come out very soon. So this vehicle, when it's armed up, it's also immobilized as well, so there's additional immobilization. Now, to disarm the vehicle, to give people an idea, you can arm and disarm through the app. You can do it through the original key, providing that you have the tag, which we've just put away. You can also do it on the vehicle through the pin code. So it's got pin to drive, meaning that you'd have to enter a unique pin code that the owner only knows, and that can be up to 20 different buttons. So to turn off the alarm as well. And then also there's a valet button in there, which is an LED and a button that flashes like a neon blue when it's armed up, but at night time that is literally blinking away. And you can enter a pin code through there to disarm. So there's plenty of ways to disarm the vehicle, but obviously securely. Nobody else can just randomly turn it off by cloning this Ford key. So an exceptional alarm system, and obviously we can tailor it to your needs as well. So let's give you an idea of how the tailgate's protected. So if there is a tailgate attempt made to the rear barn doors in this case, the intruder would get alerted, but then also you'll get notified with a text to say that somebody's attempted the back door. Now, if that second attempt happens, then you'll also get alerted and call, and this alarm is going to wake up the neighbourhood. So if we disarm the vehicle, then everything returns back. Now, obviously, once the alarm was going off in full, one thing that you probably didn't notice is, but in the rear load, we've fitted additional screamers. So it's actually deafening anybody that, even if they cut a hole in there, it will really shock them. It will deafen them, absolutely deafen them. Inside, it's fully immobilised as well, so they can't drive off the vehicle. If they were to jack it up, the tilt sensors would step in, protecting the wheels or the catalytic converter as well. Absolute exceptional alarm system that we fit on the new Transit Customs, whether it's the crew cab or whether it's the vans or whether it's even the Mark 8 vehicles. So if you'd like any more information, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you with whether it's your car, your van or your entire fleet. And as you can see, that's what these vehicles are here for, is for security. So thanks for watching. Hopefully see you soon.